risky procedures, no expensive supplements, just one simple massage technique that works with your body's natural systems. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly where this magic spot is located, how to massage it properly, and how often to do it for real noticeable results. But first, you need to understand why this actually works. Because once you know the science behind it, you'll realize you're not just touching skin, you're activating one of the most powerful circulation systems in your body and giving yourself the natural boost you've been missing. Think of your body like a well-designed machine. For things to work properly down there, 3 systems need to communicate perfectly. Your brain sends arousal signals, your blood needs to flow freely and powerfully, and your pelvic muscles need to respond quickly and maintain strength. Here's what happens as we age, and this is something most doctors won't take the time to
explain. Those signal pathways slow down, like old telephone wires that don't carry messages as clearly anymore. Your blood vessels become less flexible and more restricted, like garden hoses that have been sitting in the sun too long and lost their elasticity. And your pelvic muscles, the ones that help you achieve and maintain firmness, lose some of their strength and responsiveness. This is why those automatic morning moments start fading after 50 or 60. It's not that your body is broken or damaged, it just needs a little help remembering how to work efficiently again. Why pressure points work. Here's where it gets really interesting, and this is based on thousands of years of traditional medicine combined with modern understanding of anatomy. When you stimulate specific pressure points, you're sending direct wake-up signals through your nervous system. Think of it like jump-starting a car battery. You're bypassing the slow, worn-down pathways and giving your body's natural systems a direct boost of energy and activation. These signals travel instantly to your spine's control center, telling your blood vessels to open up, your muscles to relax and respond, and everything to work together smoothly. But it doesn't stop there. This particular spot also strengthens the muscles deep in your pelvis that help you maintain firmness once you achieve it. So, you're not just starting the engine, you're keeping it running strong and reliable the way it used to. The magic spot, your perineum. Alright, let's talk about the spot itself, and I'll explain exactly where it is. In simple, clear terms, this powerful pressure point is called your perineum, and it's located in that small area of skin between your scrotum and your back passage. Some people call it different names, but in medical terms, it's your perineum. Now here's why this specific spot is so incredibly powerful for restoring male function. Right beneath this external area, just under the skin, sits your prostate gland and a network of crucial nerves and blood vessels that directly control your erections and sexual performance. When you massage this spot with the right technique, you're essentially giving your prostate a gentle external massage, improving blood flow to your entire pelvic region and activating nerves that might have gone dormant over the years. You're not going inside your body, you're working from the outside, which makes this completely comfortable, safe, and easy to do. This spot is like a hidden control hub where important circulation pathways and nerve signals come together. Stimulating it properly can help restore the automatic responses you thought were gone forever. How to find it? Finding your perineum is simple and straightforward. Sit down comfortably in a chair, or you can do this lying on your back with your knees bent, whichever feels more natural and relaxed for you. Take your index and middle finger and place them in that soft area between your scrotum and your back passage. Press gently and you'll feel a slight firmness beneath the skin, almost like a cushion of tissue. That's it. That's your perineum. And right underneath is your prostate and those critical nerve pathways. You'll know you found the right spot because it might feel slightly tender or sensitive. Especially if you've never massaged this area before, that tenderness is actually a good sign. It means there's some congestion and restricted circulation that needs to be cleared out and restored. Don't worry if it feels a bit awkward at first. Most men have never even thought about this area, let alone intentionally touched it. But trust me, once you start experiencing the results, any awkwardness will disappear completely. Alright, here's exactly how to perform this powerful 1-minute massage. This is simple and straightforward, but you need to do it correctly to get maximum benefits and avoid any discomfort. Step 1. Get comfortable. Sit in a comfortable chair or lie on your back with your knees bent and feet flat. You want to be completely relaxed, not tense or rushed. Privacy is important here, so make sure you're somewhere you won't be interrupted or distracted. Step 2. Locate the spot. Use your index and middle finger together to find your perineum, that soft area between your scrotum and back passage. Press gently until you feel that slight firmness beneath the surface. Step 3. Apply firm pressure. Now, this is important for getting results. The pressure should be firm and steady, but never painful. Think of it like pressing a doorbell that's slightly stuck. You need enough pressure to activate it, but you're not trying to break it. Start with lighter pressure and gradually increase as the area warms up and responds. Step 4. Slow circular motion. Once you've applied that firm, steady pressure, start moving your fingers in small, slow circular motions. Make clockwise circles for 30 seconds, feeling the tissue beneath your fingers warming and responding. Then switch to counterclockwise circles for another 30 seconds. Keep that firm pressure consistent throughout. Step 5. Breathe deeply. While you're massaging, take slow, deep breaths to enhance the circulation boost. Inhale through your nose for 4 counts, hold for 2 counts, then exhale through your mouth for 6 counts. This deep breathing helps your entire pelvic region relax and respond better. That's the complete technique. 60 seconds total. Clockwise circles for 30 seconds. Counterclockwise for 30 seconds with firm, steady pressure and deep, relaxed breathing. Simple, effective, and powerful. Consistency is absolutely crucial for seeing real results. So let me give you the exact timing that works best. I recommend doing this massage twice, and daily, once in the morning and once before bed. The morning session, ideally while you're still in bed and your body is naturally relaxed, helps wake up your entire pelvic region and get healthy blood flow moving for the day ahead. The evening session helps clear out any congestion that built up during the day and promotes strong overnight circulation. You can also do this massage about 15 to 20 minutes before sexual activity. The immediate increase in blood flow from the massage can help you achieve stronger, firmer responses when the moment arrives. The key is making this a daily habit, like brushing your teeth. One massage won't transform everything overnight, but consistent daily practice over 2 to 4 weeks can create remarkable, noticeable improvements. Now, let me be completely honest with you about realistic expectations, because I want you to know exactly what you might experience at each stage. Within the first few days, many men report feeling increased warmth and a subtle awakening in their pelvic area. You might notice a slight tingling sensation or just a general feeling of increased circulation down there. Within the first week, you might start noticing morning firmness returning or getting noticeably stronger. This is a great sign that circulation is improving and your body is responding to the stimulation. You might also notice increased sensitivity during any intimate moments. By weeks 2 to 3, most men report clear, obvious improvements in firmness, strength, and how long it lasts. Things that used to require a lot of mental effort or physical assistance start happening more naturally and automatically, the way they used to years ago. By week 4, many men experience what feels like a complete restoration of natural function. Responses are firmer, last longer, and happen more quickly and reliably. sensitivity is heightened, and overall confidence gets a major, life-changing boost. But here's the thing I need you to understand. Results vary from person to person based on your individual situation. If you've been struggling with severe circulation issues for many years, it might take a bit longer to see dramatic changes. If your issues are more recent, you might see improvements faster. The key is consistency and patience with the process. Once you've mastered the basic technique and it feels natural, here are some advanced tips to maximize your results even further. First, you can use a small amount of natural oil or lotion on your fingers to reduce friction and make the massage more comfortable. Coconut oil works wonderfully, or any natural unscented massage oil. Second, you can combine this perineum massage with simple pelvic floor exercises, also called Kegel. After you finish your 60-second massage, do 10 to 15 Kegel squeezes. Contract the muscles you use to stop urination midstream. Hold for 3 seconds, then release completely. This combination is incredibly powerful for restoring strength. Third, stay well hydrated throughout the day. Good circulation absolutely requires good hydration. Aim for at least 8 glasses of water daily to keep everything flowing properly. Fourth, consider doing this massage while taking a warm bath or shower. The warm water helps relax your pelvic muscles and enhances blood flow throughout the region, making the massage even more effective and comfortable. Now, I need to give you some important safety information before you start. First, never massage this area if you're experiencing acute pain, infection, or inflammation. If your perineum is extremely painful to touch, or if you have any open wounds or sores in that area, skip this technique completely and see your doctor immediately. Second, if you have an enlarged prostate, prostatitis, or any diagnosed prostate condition, talk to your urologist before starting this massage routine. In most cases, it's perfectly safe and even beneficial, but you want to make sure it's appropriate for your specific medical situation. Third, don't overdo it. Thinking more is better. Twice daily for 60 seconds each time is plenty. Massaging too aggressively or too frequently can actually cause irritation and inflammation, which is the opposite of what we're trying to achieve. Fourth, and most important, this technique is not a replacement for proper medical treatment. If you have severe dysfunction, cardiovascular disease, diabetes, or other serious health conditions, you absolutely need to work with your doctor. This massage is a complement to proper medical care, not a substitute for it. Let me explain the actual science of why this works, because understanding it will help you stay motivated and consistent. Your perineum area contains multiple nerve pathways that connect directly to your penis, prostate, and all the pelvic floor muscles that control firmness and strength. When you massage this specific area with firm pressure, you're stimulating these nerves and sending activation signals throughout your entire pelvic region. You're also increasing blood flow to your prostate gland, which produces fluids essential for male function. When circulation is poor in this area, fluids and cellular waste products can accumulate in your prostate, causing congestion and restriction that affects everything downstream. Regular massage helps clear this congestion out and restore healthy flow. The perineum also sits right above your pelvic floor muscles, which are absolutely crucial for achieving firmness and maintaining it during activity. When you massage this area consistently, you're also indirectly stimulating and strengthening these vital muscles, giving you better control and performance. For maximum results, combine this simple massage with other healthy habits that support circulation and vitality. Remember that morning coffee enhancement routine I shared in my previous video? Combining that nutritional approach with this physical massage creates a powerful combination for circulation and performance. Also, consider adding regular walking or light exercise to your daily routine. Even 20 to 30 minutes of walking each day dramatically improves overall circulation throughout your body, which directly supports the benefits of this massage technique. Focus on stress reduction as well, because chronic stress constricts blood vessels and absolutely kills sexual function. Practice deep breathing, meditation, or any relaxation technique that works for you and helps you stay calm. Your 30-day challenge. Now, here's exactly what I want you to do. Starting tonight, commit to this 60-second massage twice daily for the next 30 days. That's it. Just 2 minutes total per day. 60 seconds in the morning, when you wake up, and 60 seconds before bed. Week 1. Focus on finding the right spot and getting completely comfortable with the technique. Don't worry about dramatic results yet. Just establish the habit and make it automatic. Morning and evening, 60 seconds each time, firm circular pressure. Week 2. Continue the twice daily routine consistently and start paying close attention to any changes you notice. Are morning responses returning? Is there more sensitivity? Are you feeling increased warmth and circulation? Make mental notes of these improvements. Week 3. By now, the massage should feel completely natural and automatic, like brushing your teeth. This is when many men start noticing significant, obvious improvements in function and performance. Keep the routine consistent no matter what. Week 4. Evaluate your progress honestly. Compare how you feel and function now versus how you felt 30 days ago. Most men are genuinely amazed at the transformation. At this point, this massage should become a permanent part of your daily self-care routine. Final call to action. Gentlemen, you don't have to accept declining function and weak responses as an inevitable part of aging. Your body still has an incredible capacity to heal, respond, and perform when you give it the right stimulation and support. This perineum massage is one of the simplest, most effective, and completely free techniques you can use to restore circulation, activate dormant nerves, and reclaim the natural strength and confidence you thought was gone forever. It takes 60 seconds. It requires no equipment or supplements. It can be done in complete privacy. And it's backed by both thousands of years of traditional wisdom and modern understanding of male anatomy and physiology. So tonight, before you go to bed, take 60 seconds to locate your perineum and perform this simple but powerful massage. Then do it again tomorrow morning when you wake up. Make it as automatic and routine as any other daily habit. Your body is still capable of remarkable performance and strength. Sometimes it just needs direct stimulation to wake up those circulation pathways and restore what's always been there, waiting to respond. If this information has been helpful, I want you to do 3 things right now. First, give this video a thumbs up so more men can discover this natural, effective approach. Second, subscribe and hit that notification bell because I share practical health strategies like this regularly. And third, I genuinely want to hear from you. Drop a comment and let me know if you've ever tried any form of pelvic massage before. And if you commit to this 30-day challenge, come back in a month and share your results. Your experience and success could inspire another man to take that crucial first step. Remember, taking care of your intimate health is taking care of your overall health and quality of life. Every step you take toward better circulation and stronger pelvic muscles pays off in ways you'll notice, both in the bedroom and in your daily confidence and energy. I'll see you in the next video where I'll share even more natural ways to maintain your vitality and performance as you age. Until then, take excellent care of yourself. You deserve to feel confident, strong, and energized at any